Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
The Vanguard. Let's UFG, Bomani UFG, please remember the name. Always repping number 7 when I enter the game. While you faggots into dragons running into the flames, don't make me shatter through your clavicle, you injured in pain. You wanna battle who? I gather crews, dismembering frames. I play it cool, but you's a fool for thinking shit is the same. Don't ever cast a pearl of swine or give a gift to a lame. The pig is highly trained and dump a clip in your brain. See, you proud to wear your chains, what's a whip to a slave? Who's this blue-eyed monster looking sick from the cave? What's a brick to a mountain? What's a drip to a wave? Just picture what I'm saying, not ridiculous slang. Pull my heart out on the page, what I'm venting is rage. But someone load they shotty with sage. Always carry my age, the 44 caliber to exchange. Shots hit you in your top, blood dripping like rain. Word the vowels in the consonant, what's constant is change. And some believe the total opposite, they flop in the lane. Now we taking back our continent, do not feel ashamed. Set crackers ablaze like you do a popular strain. Rope a dope style, lean you like a shot in your veins. Ain't no hope now, season back Ibiza from Spain. Leave them leaning like Pisa Towers, cowering shame. Gave my people all these keys of powder, rocks of cocaine. 8 balls, sniffing foul lines, no basketball games. Smack a few lames, have them travel astral planes. So they sold to the devil, actually asking for fame. Had your 15 minutes, now you back on the train. Or you handcuffed down in the back of a cage. And now explaining to the judge how this is all just a phase.
This is Brother Africa from the African War College, and you're listening to Vengeance is a Bloody Blade.
Every time I go abroad, people call me an American. I stare at them. My content been mistaken as my arrogance. I'm daring them. Chop them like propellers when preparing them for burial. Dr. Khaled banging out my stereo. You know you cannot stop the profit rounds like a merry-go. No matter what the topic, chop it, found my machete flow. Go ahead, dead them to let them know that we fighting for freedom when this Beretta blow. The heart feels the hell of no. What kind of torment that you headed for? The same acts that you're beheaded for. See the ops are the oppressors and our sovereignty so precious. Subjected to this poverty, entirely neglected. Propriety, no trying me, divinely respected and inspired to scribe these records. Those who try, they dying in seconds. I don't perspire when firing weapons. In due time, no lying, my brethren. So we decide to go try a new method, cause it's designed for we sliding in second. And now you down to eat swine for your breakfast. You ain't a threat if you die for your necklace. Your bloodline should provide you protection. The bloodshed is the mode of aggression, but I appear to come show you the lesson.